Hey, 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 it's Wednesday's Word Day. Welcome back. I hope you guys are having fun playing as I am watching the words we created and laughing at these barred sentences you guys are making. This week's word is Sirrah. It's spelled Sirrah, and it's a noun, and it means a compilation of reproach and insult. Sirrah. Let's see what the barred sentence was for that. Go, Sirrah, to my cell. Take with you your companions, as you look to have my pardon, trim it handsomely. And that's taken from the famous play, The Temptress. Okay, the word is Sirrah, a compilation of reproach and insult. All right, see you next week.